Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on your Android device. It's really simple, so let's just get started. So the only thing you're really going to need to get this is the Google Chrome app, which I believe is installed on pretty much all Android devices automatically. If you happen to not have it, just get on the Play Store real quick, and once you have it installed, you want to open it up and type in the ChatGPT website URL. I'll leave it on the screen right now as well as in the description of this video. Next, make sure you're logged into ChatGPT, and then what you need to do is click on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you want to click on Add to Home Screen. We're going to name this ChatGPT, and then click on Add. Click on Add one more time, and then if we go back to our home screen, you'll see we now have ChatGPT. When you click on it, you can see it'll take us back to that new chat window we were just on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You now have ChatGPT on your Android. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to see how to download ChatGPT on your PC, click on this video showing up on the screen right now.